In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your PNG to a JPEG using Canva. Now, Canva makes this super easy to do. They have this little converter just here, which I will link down in the description, but with this, all that we have to do is upload our PNG onto the page, then Canva's going to create a brand new project, and then all we have to do is download as a JPEG. So let me show you how. Let's take our PNG, drag it onto the page. It's going to take a few seconds. And now Canva has created a brand new project where we can change the name up here. So let's rename this like so. And then all that we have to do is come to the share button, come down to download. It's already going to be at the default setting of JPEG. Then all we have to do is click download. Then once it's downloaded, we have our JPEG converted from our PNG. So that's just how easy it is to convert a PNG to a JPEG using Canva. Now again, I will link this down in the description below. Now, if you want to watch more of my bite-sized Canva tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.